Hello everyone, in front of me is the all-new 2022 Ford Bronco Black Diamond equipped with the capable front bumper. This capable front bumper is a new option for the 22 model year and is a completely steel front bumper, replacing the modular front bumper which used to be a standard option on Black Diamond and Badlands. Let's take a quick look at the bumper now. It does come standard with fog lights from the factory, and you still have front recovery hooks. And let's take a look here. The only plastic bits on the bumper that I can see are actually here on the sides. This is completely steel. And then these caps right in front of your recovery hooks, these are plastic. But everything else is a steel construction, which is great. It provides you the durability of a steel bumper, but it looks a little bit better in my opinion. And then you also get those fog lights from the factory. Let's take a quick look at the other bumper options available on the Bronco. So this is your standard bumper with fog lights. This is a plastic front bumper, and it comes standard on Big Bend, Outer Banks, and Wild Track. You can of course option in the modular front bumper on any of those trim levels, but this is your standard plastic front bumper. Very similar in construction to the capable front bumper. The design is quite similar, and you still have those fog lights from the factory. Moving down, this is your base plastic front bumper, exactly as the bumper on the Big Bend, but you are missing those fog lights. And then here is your modular front bumper, which is the optional bumper, and it is standard here on the first edition that we have. And then this bumper, of course, you can remove the side pieces by removing a couple of bolts. And then you can also attach a front brush bar or whatever other accessory you'd like to add. Even if it's a winch, you can add a number of different things to this bumper using those mounting points that you see right on top. If you have any questions about the new 2022 Ford Bronco, or if you'd like to place an order for one here at Hoffman Ford, please let us know. Our number is 717-657-1600, or stop by our showroom here in Harrisburg at 5200 Jonestown Road. Thank you.